Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lorneville is a small coastal community on the western edge of St. John, New Brunswick. It sits along the Bay of Fundy, about 15 kilometers from the city centre, and offers a mix of rugged coastline, quiet residential streets, forests, and working waterfronts. The community itself is home to only a few hundred residents, while the surrounding area is part of the Greater St. John region, which had a population of nearly 70,000 people. Lorneville offers a quieter setting than the city, while still being only a short drive from its services and employment opportunities. Long before European settlement, this coastline was part of the traditional territory of the Wolastoqey and Mi'kmaq peoples who traveled these waters for fishing, hunting, and trade. European settlers arrived during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, establishing farms, fishing communities, and small industries along the shoreline. The sheltered coves and access to the Bay of Fundy made the area well suited for maritime activities and coastal transportation. For much of its history, Lorneville depended on the sea. Fishing supported many local families with lobster, herring, scallops, and groundfish harvested from the rich waters of the Bay of Fundy. Small wharves and boat launches continue to serve commercial and recreational fishers today. While commercial fishing is not as large as it once was, it remains an important part of the community's identity and local economy. The forests surrounding Lorneville also contributed to the area's early development. Timber harvesting and small sawmills provided employment during the 19th and early 20th centuries, while nearby farms produced hay, vegetables, dairy products, and livestock for local markets. Although agriculture is less common today, forestry continues to play a role in the regional economy. Today, many residents work in St. John while choosing to live in the quieter surroundings of Lorneville. The nearby port of St. John remains one of Canada's busiest ports and supports thousands of jobs throughout the region. One of the largest employers in the area is the Irving Oil Refinery, located a short distance east of Lorneville. It is the largest oil refinery in Canada and has been an important part of the St. John economy for decades. Lorneville is perhaps best known for its natural beauty. The Bay of Fundy has the highest tides in the world, and the changing water levels dramatically reshape the coastline every day. Rocky shores, small beaches, forests, and coastal cliffs create impressive scenery throughout the year. Visitors often come to enjoy the fresh ocean air, photograph the coastline, or simply experience the peaceful surroundings away from the city. Housing in Lorneville remains more affordable than in many larger Canadian cities. Average home prices generally range between $300,000 and $450,000, depending on the property's size, condition, and proximity to the waterfront. Homes with panoramic ocean views or direct access to the Bay of Fundy often sell for considerably more because of their highly desirable location. Although Lorneville is a small community, it offers an appealing combination of coastal beauty, maritime history, and convenient access to St. John. Its working waterfront, nearby forests, Bay of Fundy scenery, and strong connection to the sea continue to define the area. Thanks for watching!